Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are welcome to the words of continuity and the endless benefit of being human. For you to be a human being. To find yourself on this very earth, there is a benefit for you to observe the creation and your body given the opportunity into the creativity of this very earth, to beautify the earth for the continuity of the earth as a human. There is a profit made automatically by the owner of the wind, water and sand, which gives life to all living. Monitors of all the activities happening on this very earth via the wind, water and sand without a mistake. To be human on this earth carries a purpose. Every living soul shall allow their body to partake in the continuity of this very earth, because this earth is not something that's going to end soon. The wind, water and sand are designed to be here for this purpose and for this reason. The wind, water and sand are supporting humans and monitoring activities on the earth to avoid wrong accusation now and after death. And when any human dies, the person has already fulfilled the mission to witness the creation with a flesh body. And if you have the opportunity, you will be reincarnated, to be reborn, to come back here on earth, to continue the continuity of the earth, to keep benefiting from being a human. Take note, every human must contribute for the multiplication of humans. The earth is developing with human creativity, and for this reason, every human must allow their body for the multiplication of humans to continue the continuity of this very earth. This is the truth. For this, every man should take note, and for you to be a man, this is a benefit. Man, you are the pillar of the continuity of the earth. You work hard to build yourself, establish yourself, and go out there and find a wife to assist you to keep the continuity of this very earth. For the multiplication of humans to continue the continuity of this very earth, there is a benefit to being a man. As a man, allows yourself to choose a woman who will support you for the continuity of this very earth. Without you, as a man, allowing a woman into your life, you are definitely not supporting the continuity of this very earth. As a man, you established yourself financially, bought a property, and did not bring a woman into your life for the multiplication of humans that will continue the continuity of this very earth. Personally, I don't know what your benefit is, because humans are the beauty of the world. That continues the continuity of this very earth. That is the reason the owner of the wind, water and sand made a man and followed by a woman for the continuity of this very earth. The truth you must know. Every human should allow their body to bring more humans into the continuity of this very earth. That is what the owner of the wind, water and sand attached to human existence to keep his legacy and to keep his company running. He needs his human presence on this very earth, a place where there is no human presence. Such a place will look disarranged, and a place where there is a human is a place of creativity via the work of the brain and 5 fingers. A place where humans will live in peace and govern themselves in harmony to enjoy the continuity of the earth and to exercise multiplication of humans to keep the earth going. For the endless benefit, the truth you must know. And whatever you are involved in yourself, do not allow yourself to be misled via religion designed by your fellow human being. Do not allow your religious story to be a cancer in your brain against yourself and your fellow human being. Have it in mind, human-made remains human-made, not the owner of wind, water and sand, created religions, but it's a human-made a way to control others with a common sense of the realities of life. The owner of the wind, water and sand gives life to all humans and monitors you without taking any permission from any human being to reach you. It means that every human being stands on their own. And for this reason, do not allow whatever human being created to be a cancer to your brain, by misleading yourself and your fellow human being, or to mistreating your fellow human being because they are not in the same faith or religion with you, of which what your fellow human being built in the name of worship, according to their own mentality. The truth you must know, the benefit to be a human is when you begin to exercise your personal right, and your personal right should be something not to go against your fellow human being. Do not destroy people's lives. Do not join those who teach that their God can forgive you when you kill or go against your fellow human being. Even if your sin or evil act is darker than charcoal, do not listen to such people. They want to bring you into their mess that they call righteousness with a blind mind of greediness. Do not listen to such people because wind, water and sand are monitoring all the activities on this very earth without a mistake. That is what the Creator of all human placed here on earth before he brings human being in the world, so that no human can said a person mislead me or this religion mislead me. Because without the wind, water and sand noting like human or man-made religion, the truth you must know, for you to breathe the wind, for you to have water in your system, for you to step on the sand. It's not by the religions the man made give you the permission to breathe the wind and to have water in your system or to step on the soil. That is what attached to you from birth, given to you by the Creator of the wind, water and sand, the owner of all humans. And without the wind, water and sand, you will not exist, you will not be alive. Knowing this, why should you allow what your fellow human beings build to determine your faith, how you should manage your life and your fellow human beings? You must know the wind, water and sand are what your Creator uses to remind you that you stand alone to do good work, to beautify the earth, not to destroy the earth by destroying the good living of your fellow human being, cause of your greediness. You must know your brain and your 5-finger stands to assist you with whatever good you want to bring into the world, to help humanity to beautify the earth, to make life easier, not to mislead and destroy. And ask yourself, those who went into manufacturing brings things that helpful, and how did they come up with such an idea? You should understand that with good ideas, the wind, water and sand will assist humans in manufacturing useful items, reducing unnecessary labor, because it's something that helps humans for the continuity of the earth. You traveled a far distance via the aircraft and road transport with what the brain and 5 fingers manufactured. This is the work of the wind, water and sand, assisted humans, to bring out something useful to assist the continuity of the earth. You must know the benefit of being on this very earth is in your brain and your 5 fingers. And those who grow up in an underdeveloped country travel to a developed country, they will begin to see the difference between the active brain and the 5-finger workers. When we humans own ourselves to gain freedom and peace, do not use what we learn to suppress others. We should not allow ourselves to use what we manufacture to suppress others. We should build a peaceful environment where there is peace, unity and freedom. The good things flourish. The brain and 5 fingers function perfectly and do marvelous work to make humans happy, whether rich or poor. Where there is freedom and peace, people live happily. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, Onye Ndu, Kingsley Akinike, aka Ikuku. This is Volume 1. Continue with Volume 2 in next video.